Okay, here we go. I'm going to come down. I want to do a flashlight with a picture.
Flashlight. How do we move the float down? I don't want you to have to come down. It's too much.
Actually, check to see if that's back on now, being that I took the water.
No. If it's sitting up near the red lettering, then yes, it's still tripped. That's why it's still blank. Make sure the breaker is off. Okay, so I need to go turn it off.
Okay, can I just, I'm going to come down a little bit. Maybe you can get me a flashlight.
Oops, fuck, I moved it. Hold on, stop. Do you want me to move the ladder closer to you?
No.
You sure you don't want me to hand you the flashlight?
Sure, you could.
I don't want you going back and forth. Oh, watch out. I don't want you going back and forth. It's too dangerous to go up and down. Just stay there while you're there. It's up. It's definitely up. So I need to go cut the